To use our data, it's good to have some filtering and sorting options to see what we want. Now, to filter, we can go on to any of the columns that we want, and we simply press Shift Alt and the down arrow, and that brings us up the filtering dialog box. Now, if we want, we can just go and click onto France, press OK, and we see France come up over here. Now, let's go back, Control Z. If we want to do that without bringing up the dialog box, we can simply go down to France, right click, and we can go to filter, filter by the cell's value. If you do that, you also have the filter applied right here. You can use multiple filters across the columns. So say that you want to have a country of France and you want to have the quantity sold within that country that is a greater than 5, we can easily add 5 here. You could have an and or expressions for filtering as well. Let's press OK, and you can see now we are filtered with 2 filters on the country and quantity sold. To remove the filters once we have looked at our data, the shortcut is Alt H S and C to clear the filters, and we're back to our original data. You could even use the date sold. So date functionality is by oldest by newest, and we can filter across to oldest to newest, or let's go. There we go. Now our data has a little arrow next to the filter arrow to show that our data has been sorted in the date format. Once again, we can do Shift Alt and a down arrow to bring up the dialog box, and we can also have a look at a date filter. So these are predefined inside Excel. So if we look at today, tomorrow, this month, next month, anything that we want. Let's have a look at last year, and we bring up all the data set that we have for last year. Once again, to remove our filters, it's Alt H S and C. We need to be inside the dataset to do that. Alt H S C, and that removes our filters from our table. To sort our data, say that we want to sort by country first, and then we want to sort by the total values here. Very simple. Once again, Shift Alt and down arrow. We can sort by custom sort Z to A. Let's do A to Z. So now we have China there, and now to get the next level we do a custom sort, and to do that you go across to Alt H S. Once again, that's the shortcut, and we are going to go to U. That will give us different levels of sorting. So we're going to sort by country value, A to Z. We can also have a custom list. So if we want to particularly use a custom list, we could also add things like, if you want to add France before China and you have a certain list, that is completely possible. For this example, we're going to do A to Z. We're going to add a level here, and then we are going to sort by the total. The total over here, and this time we don't want the largest to smallest. We don't want smallest to largest, we're going largest to smallest. Press OK. Now our data is filtered by country, and secondly by the total. Once again, let's remove the filter, and it's Alt H S C, and that clears our filters in our tables.